Hello, inflatable fans and fans of other outdoor activities. These are heated gloves and they are ruddy awesome. What you've got is a left and a right, which is handy. Really? There's a power controller on here and if you press this, sorry I'm just getting distracted by people on the bank, and if you press it and hold it, it turns the glove off. If you press and hold it again, it turns the glove on. You might not be able to see that, it's on red. The sun's a bit bright, I'll show you on this camera. So that's on red, press it to change it to blue and to green. What do these colours mean? So red is full power, blue is medium power, green is low power. And the range is 2 to 5 hours depending on what power setting you've got it on. I've had these on low all morning and they've been really, really great. Even if I've taken them off, I haven't switched the battery off because when you put your hands in, oh my god, it's so nice. It's just lovely and warm. The inner is really nice too. They've got a fleecy lining, which I'm not going to be able to show you. So they slide on and off really nicely. They're gauntlet style. They're a little bit like a motorbike glove and they've got a little bit of a protection there on the thumb. And there's a strap on the back so that you can tighten it up around your wrist if you want to. Apparently it does have phone control, touchscreen control I should say, with that, but yeah, I mean it's a spade. It's like using a spade on your phone. You're not going to get any accuracy. You might be able to flick it up and down, but you're not going to be able to text with it. They're really comfortable, really nice. What they've got here is an aqua seal zip for to waterproof the battery, and in here you've got a little battery pack, 6,000 milliamp hours I think, yeah, 6,000 milliamp hours. You do get you get charging cables, USB-C charging cables with them. Yeah, they're really, really nice. I'm really enjoying using these today. They are a bit clunky in terms of thick fingers, and if you're okay with that, that's fine. I'm not going to be doing any needlework in these, so that's all good. I found them absolutely fine when I've been, handling the paddle. Great, not had any issues. Oh yeah, and there is a non-slip texture on the inside. Really enjoying using these today. I think these are going to be a bit of a game changer for winter, a bit like the heated socks. Yeah, these are nice. Those of you that know me well will know that I do favour my sealskins gloves, but these are just different because they've got heating. You don't actually have to warm your hands up. Sealskins, or any good gloves really, if you've got cold hands it takes a while to get them warmed up in the glove, but these, if you've already got warm gloves, that's a total winner. I'll put a link in the pinned comment and description so you can check these out for yourself. Can't remember what I paid for them off the top of my head, but prices are varying at this time of year anyway, what with the whole Black Friday thing, so pointless putting that up. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, you take care of yourself. Cheerio. Oh, you know what to do if you think somebody else might like these for Christmas or whatever. Share the video. Alright, cheerio.